Hello, everyone. So welcome to Learn and Grow with Mahesh YouTube channel. So this is second video about the API testing, and today we are going to talk about how we can find hidden API endpoint, and then we will try to exploit that and use the API endpoint. So in PortSwigger, so I hope already you have account on PortSwigger and you have Burpsuite to intercept the communication, so we can play with the APIs. So I already launched this lab, so you can see. So we are having lab, and what is our aim for this lab is we need to find we need to find hidden API endpoint, and then we have to buy this leather jacket. So, and the leather jacket is cost is 1337. Now what I will do is I will try to intercept the communication. Okay, and I'm focusing on the price because if you see the balance in my wallet is 0.0. So if I want to buy, I have to refill. I have to add $1337. Otherwise, I have to get some offer, so I can get this leather jacket. So instead of that, using coupon or some discount, I try to use APIs to exploit this price. And if I make this price, zero, then I can buy this, right? So let me capture the communication, and I'm just putting forward because I want to capture each and every possible transaction when you play with this. So now this is lightweight jacket, L33T leather jacket. The cost is 1337. I'm adding to the cart. And then I'm just watching. Okay, you can see here 1337. So now I just go through the history where all API and normal calls are made, and I'm going to check if I can get some API endpoint that might be related with the price. And if you just want to clear the history, maybe clear history and do once again, because there are so many things in our history. So I'm just trying from once, trying from scratch again to view details. Add to cart. And now you can see there are 2 items. So I just want some endpoint that is related with the price. Okay, so you can see here still we haven't captured that one. So I'm just trying to forward, so I will get something in history. So we have to keep patience to get those API calls, so we are traversing, the APIs, possible APIs call made in the background. Now I'm going to click on add to cart once again because I haven't captured the all endpoints. So I'm trying to, regender the traffic so I can capture each and every endpoint. So many APIs are captured. So let's see. We are trying to, capture each and a possible API. That's why we are redoing this. So you can see here, so many, iteration I did to capture each and every possible endpoint. And you can see here, I found some price related endpoints. So API products price. So you can see here, this is one JavaScript file, but I'm not interested in JavaScript. I'm just interested in the API. Okay, so let me send to this repeater. So I send to this repeater, and if I send this with, as you see, we are getting response 1337. So basically, this is the price of the item. I'm just, pausing this. Okay, you can see here. So what's that 1337? So it's a leather jacket price 1337. So now what I'm going to do is I will go to repeater and I will try to play with the option. So let me check. Okay, so it's not happening. So maybe I can keep as it is. And instead of get, I will use post. Method not allowed. But interesting, even if it is error, method not allowed, we are getting some more information about is what is allowed. So patch is allowed. So I will try here patch. And I will try to check. Okay, so you can see, so patch is basically for updation. So I will try to check. Okay, so JSON. So now from this error, we got to know that JSON content is, supported. So I will just try to use this content type. And I will try to pass something in the body. So what is the error? Error is basically could not parse JSON. So maybe we not pass perfectly. So let me do once again here, little bit formatting. Okay, so this is a body. I'm passing the empty. So you can see here, I'm passing nothing to the body and now it's showing error, price parameter missing in the body. So now I got to know that price parameter is required. So I can update the price and I'm going to update to the 0 because I don't want to pay single penny for this. You can see now there is another error. Parameter must be valid non-negative integer. So that means double quote considered as a string. So I will just put as a number and now price is updated. So let's go to this portal, go to the home, and you can see now the price becomes 0. So what I can do is now I can go to the view details. I will add to the cart. I will go to the cart and you can see I don't want this much, just I want one. So I will keep one and price is 0 and you can see place the order. See, and now you purchase this leather jacket without, single penny in your wallet. So this is the, I would say, exploitation of the hidden API endpoint. So I hope you like this one and you enjoyed this. So thank you so much. See you in next video, and we will maybe go in other detail API level attacks. Okay, thank you so much.